Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we begin our Friday morning. A few clouds rolling in from the west. We're going to see a mix of clouds and sun as we go through our day today, but the biggest story is the cooler weather after what happened yesterday. Look at the temperatures from yesterday around the area. We had 90s and even triple digits in Imperial and Maquoketa. It was 101 for a high temperature yesterday, 93 in the Tri-Cities area. So today we get a break from that. Let's take a look at that future cast as some clouds will roll through. North and northeast winds will turn more northeasterly with time and then even easterly towards the end of the day. We'll continue to see passing clouds from time to time. Really not expecting any precipitation though, but precipitation moving into the western and northern parts of the viewing area later on tonight. I'm going to keep it dry in the forecast for the Tri-Cities area. It might be close, but I think it should stay just north and west of us here. And then as we get into tomorrow, a 20% chance of rain and thunderstorms for the Tri-Cities. Better chances are going to come tomorrow night into early on Sunday morning. Possibly some severe weather out there as well. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that threat. But by Sunday, I think the chances of rain start to clear up, and we'll actually see some cooler air behind another weak cold front that comes through Saturday night. So temperatures a little bit cooler on Sunday. So with tomorrow's chance of rain and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, severe weather is a possibility. The Storm Prediction Center has a large part of the area. In fact, pretty much everybody in the Local 4 viewing area, except for just a couple of spots under a marginal threat of severe storms. Biggest threat looks to be large hail. Maybe some strong wind gusts, and I think the best chance of that would be in the western parts of the Local 4 viewing area. So really it's all about temperatures today, as it'll be much more comfortable, upper 70s and lower 80s for highs, mid 80s in southwest Nebraska. That's an almost, well, really about a 15 to 17 degree drop from yesterday's temperatures there in southwest Nebraska. Tonight we'll fall back into the upper 50s and lower 60s for lows, and then tomorrow's temperatures similar to today, maybe a little cooler in the northeast and possibly a little warmer in the southwest. We'll go with around 80 in the Tri-Cities area again. And then Sunday, a little cooler for everybody for the most part. Temperatures mostly in the 70s, maybe a few low 80s in the south and southwest. So Sunday, probably the coolest day over the next 6 days or so. How about the rest of that forecast? As we look ahead here, we're looking at, again, that cool down for Sunday. Mostly nighttime chances of rain the next couple of days, other than maybe a small chance tomorrow. As we get towards Sunday night, and then especially into Monday, that chance of rain and thunderstorms going to pick up. We have a 50% chance of rain and thunderstorms there for late Sunday night after midnight, and then a 40% chance into your Monday. A breezy day, southerly winds warming things up into the mid-80s. And basically what's going to happen, I think we're going to have a frontal boundary stalled out in the area, and we're going to see several off and on chances of rain and thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and off and on there. Maybe not so much early on Wednesday, but this could eventually add up to quite a bit of moisture. Now, the big key to this is a lot like what we had a few weeks ago is, will it stay over the same area or not? I can't answer that question. It's just too early to say that. Because if that happens, then we could be talking about a return to some flooding concerns. You know, at this point, though, even the areas that have had some flooding have dried out enough that, you know, even my yard is getting to the point it needs a little water. So I wouldn't mind at least a little bit of rain. I don't want the heavy rains that we have been seeing, but I could use at least a little bit of moisture just to help things out just a bit. I'm sure we don't want too much, though, because every one of my neighbors is still pumping out water from their sump pumps. I'm the only one that's not. It's unbelievable. But yeah, so just a little bit of rain just to help to get the grass wet, but don't want the heavy rainfall. Real quick here, looking to Boulder, Colorado. Big changes to this forecast. Instead of a lot of rain, or at least a good chance of rain and thunderstorms during the game, chances have really dropped off. Why? Well, recent forecast models, and I noticed this morning looking at those, it's taking now the better chances of rain and pushing them to the south of Boulder, Denver, down towards Colorado Springs. Those areas have a better chance, and Boulder's kind of on the northern edge of that chance of rain and thunderstorms. So instead of a 70% chance of rain and thunderstorms during the game, now looking at about a 30% chance, and a little more sunshine is going to be likely, which means warmer temperatures in the mid-80s. So yeah, less of a chance of rain and a lightning delay. Not going to guarantee dry, though, as there's still a small chance of maybe a hit or miss shower or thunderstorm during the game and after the game here. So it'll be interesting to watch, but at this point here, at least a little more likelihood that the game gets off without a hitch. And of course, any rain anyway would affect certain ways that the teams are playing the game, especially with the natural grass field as Folsom Field has there. So there you go. Another thing I want to mention real quick before I go is that long-range forecast. As again, you just kind of look at that and compare it to our average high, which is around 81 or 82, and we look to be fairly close to average over the next 7 to 10 days. No major fluctuations in temperatures. So with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you all for watching this morning. I appreciate it. We'll all see you on your Monday morning, September 9th. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you all again. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you all again on Monday. Bye.